Welcome to another edition of the Wellness Talks. And today we shall discuss about the secrets of longevity of the Hunza tribe, also known as the Burosho people. The Hunzas are the center of attraction for people around the world because of the long and happy life they lead. The average life expectancy of the Hunza people is said to be 100 years, while some also exceed 120. This, notably, has been a mystery for several scientists and doctors in the world. Hunza drink directly from glacial streams in the high Himalayas. It is fresh, invigorating, life enhancing, free radical scavenging, and delicious. They drink alkaline and ionized water that naturally occurs. The Hunzas have the longest lifespan in the world, and this has been traced as related to the water that they drink and their natural diet. Hunza water is an example of perfect natural water. Many researchers have also lived with the Hunza people to find out about their life expectancy. One such scientist was Dr. Robert Macrison, who lived with the tribe for several years. Strangely, he could not come across a single person who has been diagnosed with cancer, stomach ulcers, appendicitis, or any other disease. Hunza has people who routinely live to 120 to 140 years in good health with virtually no cancer, degenerative disease, dental caries, or bone decay. Hunza people remain robust and strong and are also able to bear children even in old age. Research has proven conclusively that the major common denominator of the healthy, long living people is their local water. These people are not the product of legend, nor are the country they inhabit a mythical utopia. To be more precise, the Hunza country, with a population of only 30,000, is situated at the extreme northern point of India, where the borders of Kashmir, China, India, and Afghanistan converge. Dr. Henry Conada, the Romanian father of fluid dynamics and a Nobel Prize winner at 78 years old, spent 6 decades studying the Hunza water, trying to determine what it was in this water that caused such beneficial effects for the body. He discovered that it had a different viscosity and surface tension. Dr. Patrick Flanagan and others continued their research. They found Hunza water had a high alkaline pH and an extraordinary amount of active hydrogen, that is, hydrogen with an extra electron with a negative redox potential and a high colloidal mineral content. The water is living and provides health benefits that other types of drinking water cannot. Maybe you are wondering, are the Hunzas really all that healthy? That was the question on the mind of cardiologist Dr. Paul D. White and Dr. Edward G. Toomey, who made the difficult trip up the mountain paths to Hunza, toting along with them a portable, battery operated electrocardiograph. In the American Heart Journal for December 1964, the doctors say they used the equipment to study 25 Hunza men who were on fairly good evidence between 90 and 110 years old. Blood pressure and cholesterol levels were also tested. He reported that not one of these men showed a single sign of coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol. The life expectancy of the Hunza inhabitants has been a mystery for scientists and doctors across the world. Why they enjoy this longevity was also the subject of James Hilton's novel Lost Horizon, which was later made into a film by Frank Capra. The book talks about a secret kingdom high in the mountains, away from the world. All the researchers who lived with the Hunza tribe and studied them deduced almost the same outcome, which is that the long and healthy life of the Hunza inhabitants is because of their organic and natural lifestyle. An optometrist, Dr. Alan E. Bannock, also made the journey to Hunza to see for himself if the people were as healthy as they reported to be, and published his report in the Hunza land by Whitehorn Publishing Company 1960. It wasn't long before I discovered that everything that I had read about perpetual life and health in this tiny country is true, Dr. Bannock declared. I examined the eyes of some of the Hunza's oldest citizens and found them to be perfect. At 100 years old, a Hunza is considered neither old nor even elderly. Even more extraordinary is the fact that Hunzas remain surprisingly youthful in all ways, no matter what their chronological age is. They also force us to ask the following question: is there some secret technique that allows these people to live so long and stay so healthy? The answer is yes. The Hunzas do know something that we do not. But there is just not one secret. There are many. And one among them is the water that they drink. Holistic doctors and natural health practitioners are teaching us the fastest way to restore wellness is to quit putting onto the body the things that have caused the physical problems to develop in the first place. Then we can give the body the nutrients it needs to repair and rebuild, as our bodies are self-healing. When we provide proper organic nutrients, pristine water, rest and exercise. Nutrition, water, exercise and rest in the right balanced amounts are crucial to optimum health. And the key to optimum health is to maintain a strong immune system. There is no time like now to start making these lifestyle changes that enhance your health and well-being. Take the next step and continuously improve upon it. So switch to Kangen water and start feeling the difference right away. You shall feel the difference inside out. See you soon with another new edition of my Wellness Talks.